Hello friends, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, I'll tell you about the modern methods of insurance. Insurance became far more sophisticated in Enlightenment era Europe, where specialized varieties developed. Property insurance, as we know it today, can be traced to the Great Fire of London, which is in 1666 devoured more than 13,000 houses. The devastating effects of the fire converted the development of insurance from a matter of convenience into one of the urgency, a change of opinion reflected in Sir Christopher Wren. Christopher Wren's inclusion of a site for the insurance office in his new plan for London in 1667, a number of attempted fire insurance schemes came to nothing, but in 1681 economist Nicholas Darban and 11 associates established the first fire insurance company. The insurance office was houses at the back of the Royal Exchange to insure brick and frame homes. Initially, 5,000 homes were insured by his insurance office. At the same time, the first insurance schemes for the underwriting of business ventures became available by the end of the 17th century. London's growth as a center of trade was increasing due to the demand for marine insurance. In the late 1680s, Edward Lloyd opened a coffee house which became the meeting place for the parties in the shipping industry wishing to insure cargoes and ships, including those willing to underwrite such ventures. This informal beginning led to the establishment of the insurance market, Lloyd of London, and several related shipping and insurance businesses. Life insurance policies were taken out in the early 18th century. The first company to offer life insurance was the Amicable Society for Perpetual Insurance Office, founded in London in 1706 by William Talbot and Sir Thomas Allen. Upon the same principle, Edward Roy Morse established the Society for Equitable Assurances on Lives and Survivorship in 1762. It was the world's first mutual insurer, and it pioneered age-based premiums based on mortality, laying the framework of scientific insurance practice and development, and the basis of modern life insurance upon which all the life insurance assurance schemes were subsequently based. In the late 19th century, accident insurance began to become available. The first company to offer accident insurance was the Railway Passenger Assurance Company, formed in 1848 in England to insure against the rising number of fatalities on the nascent railway system. The first international assurance rule was the York and Trevor rules for the distribution of costs between ship and cargo in the event of general average. In 1873, the Association for the Reform and Codification of Law of Nations, the forerunner of the International Law Association, was founded in Brussels. It published the first year in 1890 before switching to the present title of the International Law Association in 1895. By the late 19th century, governments began to initiate national assurance programs against sickness and old age. Germany built on a tradition of welfare program in Prussia and Saxony that began as early as in 1840s. In the 1880s, Chancellor Otto von Bismarck introduced old age pensions, accident insurance, and medical care that formed the basis of our Germany's welfare state. I hope, friends, you enjoyed this lecture. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel.